How to install Azure Data Studio. To begin the installation, we will go to the Microsoft installation site and scroll down to the Download Azure Data Studio section. In here, you will select the installer based on your platform type. Since my device is Windows, I will select the 64-bit user installer. For Linux, select this installer, and for Mac, click on this. You will see the installer at the bottom, and clicking on it should launch the window. Begin by accepting the agreement and select Next. You can choose where you want your download to go, or leave the default location, and then select Next. We're going to click Next again. And if you would like a desktop icon, you can enable this option and then select Next. Finally, we're going to click on Install. We're going to give it a couple of minutes and then select Finish on the installer. That's it. You successfully installed Azure Data Studio.